Hi guys, today we are going to learn about a concept called table collections. And before that, let's say if we are using more than one company sometimes, okay, companies like DAT, USMF, UNMF, etc. So it will be useful to share data from tables with general information, like tables storing some data like country codes or zip codes, etc. So the most basic way to share data from a table among all companies is to set the table property. There will be one table property called save data per company to know. So what will happen if you set this property? This will merge data from the table and make the data accessible from all the companies. Okay, so this is about the normal, like how we do it. Like if you wanted to share the data among, I mean, table among all the companies, so we change this property. Okay, so another way to share the data without having any change, any settings in any existing tables. Okay, using the table collections. So this table collection is just a template for tables to be shared by any number of companies, and the table collections shared using a virtual company. Okay, so let's say we already have one form like sys data area virtual. This is used to define virtual companies actually. Okay, this virtual company, I mean the term virtual company is used to for sharing table collections among a set of companies, and this does not exist in reality, and therefore you cannot switch to a virtual company like any normal company. So this is about the table collections. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys. See you soon.